You're going to learn how to make chalk if you watch this video to the end. This is how blackboard chalk is made. If you really want to make clear pieces of chalk with a mold, follow this exact process. Here are the items that you're going to use. First, measurement. That is the cup we're going to use to measure the water that is going to go in the POP. In that exact spot where you have seen me touch with my fingers, that's where the water has to stop. And we're going to be using 2 cups of water. So we're going to first put in the water in the jug before we put plaster of Paris. Why? Watch this whole video so that you can know the reason why. So that is one cup. And then we're going to be putting in the second one. If you find this video useful, please like it. In the other exact spots, that's where the water stopped. It's not really full, but... So, this is a tray. It is not a tray of food. No, it's not a tray of food, but it's tray where we're going to be putting our POP, plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris, some people call it not calcium carbonate, but I'll be letting you know. So, we are using this. This is from a jerrycan, as you can see, locally made. And then we are going to be putting on our measuring scale. The measurements, so guys, these are pounds and these are kilograms. So, which kilograms are we normally going for? We are going to be going for 2 pounds, and the kilos are going to be 0.8 kilos. Why? For a mold of 200 pieces, our size mold, that is what we use. And then we are done measuring. We're going to be putting our measurements down there. So you need a measuring scale, you need this tray. It's not a tray of food. Why do we put our water first? Because when you start with POP, it's going to be very hard for you to mix. So we are going to start, we put water in the jug, and then we do what? We use the... So this is a real-time video. In case you want to speed up the video, you can just press at the edge of the video and the video will move very fast. But in case you're trying to make with us, this is a perfect time. You can just put the phone down and then stir with us until we are done stirring, and then you pour into the mold. So let's learn something. What are the causes of breakage in chalk making? If we forget to pour in our lubricant, that is cooking oil and paraffin, so we mix them in a ratio of 3:1, and then I'll be showing you guys in my other videos. If you find this video useful, please leave a thumbs up for it so that you can encourage us to make more videos like this. And if you would like to learn colored chalk, how to make colored chalk, please leave a comment below and we will be sharing with you how to make colored chalk. Pour water into the jug so that POP doesn't stick to the walls of the jug. So we're going to be using this knife. We're going to put mkalaba facing abunene obuntu buneno book face ne book facing ajo facing nze okitegedde ekintu ekyo. Then remove. Okay, guys, this thing, since we are having a continuous production, we're going to use this. I will show you guys how to mix it. So we're going to use this and we shall pour like this. And then you're going to use our brush. This brush, it's got from hardwares. Why we use this at the end of the video. So if you watch the video and you finish it, you're going to put again why we use this and this. So after, we're going to smear. This part is very crucial. So when you're removing, you're going to get it off, and then you tilt it so that this side can face you. So this side of the hole, this has to face you. So that is the part that is very crucial when you're making.